Hello, and welcome back to Tech by Pike. Today, we're going to be reviewing two mice. The first one is from Razer, the Basilisk version 3, and we are going to be reviewing it up against the Xtrfy MZ1 RGB mouse from Australia. Let's get into it. Starting with the Razer mouse today, it's $70 before tax. Holding it in my hand feels very comfortable. The mouse is pretty tall and my hand curls around it nicely. The lip where my thumb sits is nice, and it helps while pushing the buttons, and it has somewhere for my thumb to sit instead of just dragging across my mouse pad. I did bind the dodge action to one of the buttons on the side, and it was very easy to use. There is a slight texture around the mouse that feels quite nice in the hand, but I can see after a while and a lot of use that texture is going to fade away. The mouse is pretty heavy, but it glides across my mouse pad very nice. Overall, the mouse feels very comfortable in my hand and feels natural. My hand isn't straining to hold it or to press any of the buttons on the side. I would say my overall experience with this mouse is a huge thumbs up. It was very comfortable to use and felt very natural. I would use this as my daily go-to mouse anytime. Looking at the Xtrfy mouse, it's $79 before tax. This mouse is very different from the Razer one. With the Razer mouse, my hand feels more forward on it and on top of it. But with this mouse, I find myself putting my hand farther back on the mouse and not even letting it sit in my palm. The mouse is very sloped where your index and middle fingers go, which feels a little weird. There is no texture with this mouse and it feels very smooth. The only texture sensation is from the holes in the mouse, but that doesn't add to the grip at all. This mouse has one less button on the side than the Razer, but with the Razer, this one is also very easy to use, and the buttons feel very comfortable pushing. There is no thumb rest on this mouse, so you get to hold it on the buttons or rest it on your desk like an absolute champ. This mouse is pretty light, and it feels a bit flimsy while using it. My overall experience with it would be a thumbs down. It didn't feel natural to use, and it was a bit awkward in the hand. After using both mice, I prefer the Razer mouse more. I have smaller hands and the mouse really did fit well and was comfortable to use. The Xtrfy mouse design seems off. The mouse is very flat and felt weird to hold. I think someone with larger hands might like it more than I did, but I wouldn't use it as my daily go-to. One thing this mouse does have going for it though are these RGB lights. It's like a Christmas tree. It's pretty awesome. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel, and have a good day.